Hello friends, chapter number 2 solution. Topic is elevation of boiling point and depression of freezing point. Now first we will talk about elevation of boiling point. First of all friends, what is the meaning of boiling point? For any boiling point is that temperature. For any boiling point is that temperature at which the vapor pressure of liquid is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Friends, you know, generally we will use 1 atm pressure. That's why this one known as boiling point, and vapor pressure and temperature used. That's why we plot graph versus vapor pressure, and second one is temperature in Kelvin. Here one graph is plotted. Y-axis denoted by vapor pressure and x-axis denoted by temperature T in Kelvin, and here word used boiling point. Boiling point means what? When temperature 0 degree Celsius when converting to 100 degree Celsius. Friends, you know water boiling point is 100 degree Celsius and its freezing point is 0 degree Celsius. When degree Celsius convert into Kelvin, then addition of 273 value, then easily we can write 273 Kelvin when 0 degree Celsius use, and when 100 degree Celsius use, then 100 plus 273, that's why 373 Kelvin. Vapor pressure, suppose here vapor pressure versus temperature graph is present, then this value means what? When here vapor pressure and temperature gives us here one value, then here increase its value, then its graph gives us this type of, and this one for pure solvent. Second thing, this dotted line indicated 1 atmospheric, 1 atm pressure, and when pure solvent cross the line of 1 atm and gives us here suppose, then we gives us this straight line and denoted by TB0. Temperature T, B means its boiling point, and here TB not either TB0, then this one for pure solvent. Clear? TB0 or TB0 here used for pure solvent, and here TB means what? When suppose we have this type of one beaker, and in this one beaker already we have pure solvent. Suppose pure solvent is water, then in room temperature suppose we'll add 25 degrees Celsius. Our room temperature is 25 degree Celsius, and boiling point means when this one 100 degrees Celsius, then this one indicated water boiling point. And suppose here addition of one solute like sucrose, glucose, etc., then mixture of solute plus solvent and formation of solution. Clear? Then here when temperature value is also increased, then gives us here this type of one line, means increase value of solvent, and here this one indicated solution. That's why this one for solution and denoted by TB. Clear? temperature, boiling point of given temperature and denoted by TB, and TB, not either TB0 and TB, this one is a higher value and it has lower value. That's why we can easily write elevation of boiling point is equal to delta TB, TB0 minus TB. That's why in this theory we can use this type of formula, delta TB is equal to TB not TB0 minus TB. This one for pure solvent and this one for solution. Always friends, higher value minus lower value. That's why TB0 minus TB. Here this one is a lower value, clear, and this one is a higher value. That's why TB minus TB0. See, this one is a lower value and this one is a higher value. That's why TB minus TB0. That's why this one for solution and this one for pure solvent. And easily formation of elevation of boiling point value. And second thing friends, you know elevation of boiling point means delta TB is directly proportional to molar concentration value of given solution. Second thing, small m, and this small m indicated for solution when used in solute used in given solution. That's why also we can here write delta TB is directly proportional to small m, and small m means what? Molality. That's why delta TB is directly proportional to m, molar concentration of the solute in given solution. Means what? Which type of solute we can use here? Which type of solute is added in given pure solvent like water, then gives us one solution. That's why this one indicated elevation of boiling point is directly proportional to molar concentration value of solute in given solution. That's why when here this proportionality symbol removing, then entering is equal to sign delta TB is equal to, when is equal to sign use, then symbol is KB. KB means proportionality constant for boiling point into M. M means molality, and molality formula is small m is equal to W2 divide by M2 divide by 1000 into W1. That's why here W1 divide by 1000. And friends, you know dividation go in upper side. That's why easily we can write here 1000 multiply by W2 divide by M2 multiply by W1. This one for small m, molality, and this molality value put in our main equation like delta TB is equal to KB into M, then gives us delta TB is equal to KB. This one is elevation boiling point, this one is proportionality constant for boiling point, and molality M is equal to which value? Multiply by 1000 multiply by W2 divide by M2 multiply by W1. Clear? This one is a very most important for numerical. That's why always remember delta TB is equal to which value is formed. Second thing, W2 and M2 and W1 here used, but you know W2 means what? This one is a solute. Why solute? Because here we can write elevation of boiling point is directly proportional to molar concentration of solute in given solution. That's why W2 and M2 means this one is the weight of solute and this one is the molar mass of solute. W1 is equal to weight of solvent. Here 2 denoted for solute and 1 is equal to for solvent. That's why easily gives us this equation, and this one is a very most important. Second thing, its unit. Unit which one is used? Then Kelvin into kg per mole. Why Kelvin into kg per mole? Because this one is a temperature for boiling point. That's why Kelvin into kg per mole. Unit of elevation of boiling point is equal to Kelvin into kg per mole. Please important and always remember, maybe this one present in MCQ type question. That's why always remember. Clear? This one for whole theory for elevation of boiling point delta TB. Now same. Second one is depression of freezing point. Here boiling word present and here freezing word present. Freezing point, depression of freezing point. Freezing point is that temperature. Freezing point is that temperature of any substance which vapor pressure of its liquid state. Vapor pressure present in its liquid state is equals to is vapor pressure of its solid state. Means what? Freezing point means 0 degree Celsius. That's why this one is important, which is vapor pressure of its liquid state is equals to the vapor pressure of one present in solid state. Maybe you produce some query कि in solid state vapor pressure is present or not? Yes friends, present. Sometimes our solid has vapor pressure is formed. That's why here word used vapor pressure of its liquid state is equals to the vapor pressure of given solid state. Second thing, here one graph is present. One graph means vapor pressure versus one temperature. Temperature present in its Kelvin value and vapor pressure present in its atmospheric pressure value. Here when decrease why? Because 0 degree Celsius means very low temperature we can use. That's why gives us decrease graph. And see, this one is for solution. Means suppose we have one solute or one solvent liquid. This one is suppose solvent, and when addition of some solute, then here formation of solution. When solvent means this one, when vapor pressure versus temperature graph is plotted, then its value suppose gives us here, and here its state is given like atmospheric pressure. That's why liquid solvent gives us here and denoted by this straight line. And second thing, here used frozen solvent. Frozen means when original liquid when convert into its solid state. Frozen means what? Liquid convert into when solid medium like water convert into its ice cube, then gives us here. And when this one cross this line means here original liquid solvent is present, and when cross this liquid solvent line, that's why here gives us one this type of graph. Second thing here, and denoted by delta TF0 for pure solvent. Why? Because always a higher value minus lower value. That's why TF0, and here TF denoted by TF for solution. For solution means what? When addition of some solute and formation of solution, then its particle gives us temperature 0 to this. Suppose here some temperature is given, then gives us here some value. Then this one for solution means higher value minus lower value. TF0 for solvent and TF for solution. That's why delta TF means represent of freezing point is equal to TF0 minus TF, this one for solvent and this one for solution. And easily formation of delta TF value. Delta TF means what? Represent of freezing point. Solvent minus solution, higher value minus lower value. Same here in delta TB means represent of elevation of boiling point directly proportional to molar concentration of value of solute in present in solution. Same in depression of freezing point, delta TF is directly proportional to M, means what? This one is also indicated molality, means delta TF is directly proportional to M. M indicated molality, and molality formula is already we studied, W2 upon M2 divided by W1 divided by 1000. This one is a value of molality, and this value we can use then same M is equal to W2 divided by M2 divided by W1 divided by 1000, and when this value put on above equation, then gives us delta TF is equal to, here when proportionality symbol removing, then entering delta TF is equal to KF into M. KF means proportionality constant for depression. That's why when we can put this value on given this equation, then formation of new equation, delta TF is equal to KF into W2 divided by M2 divided by W1 divided by 1000, and divide to dividation value go in upper side. That's why formation of delta TF is equal to KF multiply by 1000 multiply by W2 divide by W1 multiply by M2. W2 and M2 for given solute. That's why this one is a weight present in gram, and M1 or M2 indicated molar mass for given solute or solvent. That's why same here, this one W2 for solute and W1 for solvent, weight divided by its molar mass. That's why this one is a very most important for numerical, and its unit is same like Kelvin into kilogram per mole, Kelvin into kg per mole, means same unit is present for elevation and depression. Some common thing is present, like here easily how to remember this two theory. Then place this some short point is present like delta TB. Here delta TF means elevation. Here depression, that's why I have freezing and boiling, is equal to, see here TB minus TB0 and here TF0 minus TF. See, easily we can identify higher minus lower, higher minus lower. How to this type of value is present? Because we can plot one graph, then easily identified higher and lower value. Second thing, delta TB is directly proportional to molality and delta TF is also directly proportional to given molality. When proportionality symbol removing, then entering here delta TB is equal to KB into M. Here TF word use, freezing, that's why KF constant into M. Its unit is same. Unit, which one used? Kelvin into kg per mole. See, this one is a short trick. This one important for boiling and freezing. Easily maybe you all are remember and easy for you when this short point is learned. Thank you. We will meet again.